Hey everyone, curious about how that student who has it all together starts their day? Today, I'm sharing a morning routine filled with powerful tips and tricks that set the stage for a successful day. I hope it inspires you to find a routine that suits your goals. Let's get started. Setting a gentle alarm sound instead of a loud, jarring one can make waking up a lot more pleasant. Another trick: place the phone or alarm clock across the room. This way, getting up to turn it off is necessary, helping avoid the temptation to hit the snooze button. After getting up, hydrating with a glass of water is a great way to start. Drinking water first thing recharges the body and helps clear the mind after a night of sleep. Then, a quick stretch or gentle exercise helps wake up the body even more. Simple moves like touching toes, rolling shoulders, and doing a few neck stretches are great ways to get the blood flowing and feel ready for the day. A balanced breakfast fuels energy and focus for the day ahead. Simple options like a smoothie with fruits and greens, oatmeal topped with berries, or yogurt with granola are easy to prepare and give lasting energy. A quick skincare routine boosts confidence and refreshes the face. Start with a gentle cleanser, then apply a moisturizer, and finish with SPF to protect the skin. Taking just a few minutes each morning helps keep skin healthy and glowing. A light makeup routine can be a nice finishing touch. A dab of concealer under the eyes, a swipe of mascara, and a little lip balm or gloss can brighten the face and add a fresh, natural look. Keeping the hair routine simple makes mornings easier. Styles like a neat ponytail, a loose braid, or even brushing out the hair for a smooth look are quick but polished. Preparing hair the night before, like detangling or applying leave-in conditioner, can save time. Choosing and laying out an outfit or uniform the night before saves time in the morning. Ensuring everything is clean and ready helps start the day with an organized, put-together feeling. Packing a backpack with the day's essentials like notebooks, pens, a water bottle, and a snack makes mornings feel less rushed. Adding positive affirmations in the morning can boost confidence and create a positive mindset. Simple phrases like, "I am prepared," "I can handle anything that comes my way," or "I am ready to shine today," set a positive tone and help build inner confidence. Building a strong morning routine doesn't have to be complicated. It's about finding small habits that create a calm, confident, and energized start to the day. Remember, a positive morning leads to a positive day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content. See you in the next video.